Good morning everybody. Let's check it out. We're having breakfast. Look at that. Got us a couple of tomato slices and 2 eggs, some beans. So let's have us a good breakfast.
Well guys, as you saw, we had us a good breakfast this morning. Yeah, we did. I was pretty hungry too, so I had me good breakfast there and ate it all. And here we are, cruising up and down the road. Matter of fact, speaking, we're getting closer to Thunder Bay. That's right, guys. Still fairly cloudy and not sure if we could all of a sudden get some snow or what, but definitely feels that way. But I think we're gonna be making us a pit stop pretty soon. I need to take care of some business, and then we'll feel back to normal again, and then we'll be cruising up and down the road again. Yeah, we got us a long way to go yet. We left Ignis, Ontario this morning after we had breakfast, for those of you that are wondering, from where we left this morning. And we got 1,425 kilometers to go yet till we get to our delivery in Mississauga, Ontario. Yeah, so we got our work cut out yet. Got a good ways to go yet, that's for sure. But anyways, let's get on down the road, guys. Well guys, we did make our little pit stop there earlier, and now we're already been cruising for a good while here again. I'm actually, matter of fact, speaking, already past Nipigon. Turned onto Highway 11 already, and now we're pretty much in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, that's right. Got pretty much nothing up here other than there is a little bit of a river or lake or whatever you want to call it up to the left. Except you can't see it right now. We went by it already. And I'm thinking about maybe one of these areas, maybe I can pull over and maybe fly my drone a little bit. We'll see. Excuse me. We'll see if I find me a good area to fly the drone. You know, I'm always looking for a different area or an area that I haven't flown the drone in. And the other kind of sucky part is, as you can see, it's quite muggy out here today. It's not really an ideal situation day to fly, right? It's kind of cloudy and dark. So I would like to have a little bit more sunshine, but it doesn't always work in my favor. But at least it's not windy today. I looked at that earlier. Where I was at earlier, at least it wasn't windy at all. So, you know, if I could fly my drone up here, I'd be in pretty good shape, you know. But we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Standing at his graveside, I see it chiseled in stone. And even though it's spelled right, somehow it seems wrong. He wasn't a cowboy, he never claimed to be. Just an ordinary man, but bigger than life to me. Wild Bill wasn't his name, but he earned that title in his younger days raising Cain. And he could pull a gun from his holster faster than his hero John Wayne. Grandpa, Daddy, Wild Bill, one and the same.
Saying all he had to say with a sticker on the back of his truck. Freedom for him was God, guns, and guts. Tough as nails, I guess he thought we had to be. But with a shake of his head and a grin, he'd put you at ease.
Wild Bill wasn't his name, but he earned that title in his younger days raising Cain.
He could pull a gun from his holster faster than his hero John Wayne. Grandpa, Daddy, Wild Bill, one the same.
Standing at his graveside, I see the shadow of a gun.
I look into the sky to see the cloud it's coming from. Then a voice from above wipes away all of my pain.
It says, tell 'em all I'm happy, I finally got to meet John Wayne. Wild Bill wasn't his name, but he earned that title in his younger days raising Cain.
He could pull a gun from his holster faster than his hero John Wayne. Grandpa, Daddy, Wild Bill, one the same.
Grandpa, Daddy, Wild Bill,
one the same.
She wanted to feel those big truck wheels rolling underneath her feet. Her boss was a jerk, and office work just wasn't her cup of tea. She climbed out of that hole 10 years ago to follow her lifelong dream and learn to drive. Now she feels the pride every time that diesel screams. She traded her high heels for 18 wheels to run coast to coast. She ain't no less than one of the best truck drivers on the road. She'll jam in gears and show no fear and drive with a steady hand. She's our all-American truck driving woman. She worked nights under truck stoplights, serving that driver man. But filling their cups wasn't enough, she had a bigger plan. She cashed in her tips and bought a big rig and cut that apron loose. Now she's the one getting waited on in that driver's only booth. She traded her high heels for 18 wheels to run coast to coast. She ain't no less than one of the best truck drivers on the road. She'll jam them gears and show no fear and drive with a steady hand. She's our all-American truck driving woman. So if you see her rolling down the road, pulling that heavy load, show her respect and courtesy. 'Cause man, that girl's been out there proving she can keep America moving just as good as you and me. She traded her high heels for 18 wheels to run coast to coast. She ain't no less than one of the best truck drivers on the road. She'll jam them gears and show no fear and drive with a steady hand. She's our all-American truck driving woman. Yeah, she'll jam them gears and show no fear and drive with a steady hand. She's our all-American truck driving woman. In a dim room on the 5th floor, she lies there quietly, praying that she'll see tomorrow a miracle's what she needs. The road she's on has been a long one. Can she make it one more day? Should she beg the Lord to take her and throw all hope away? Or carry on? There's a truck wreck on the highway just before the dawn, and the driver that they just brought in is barely hanging on. And he knows that he's not gonna make it, 'cause he can hear the angels sing. So he tells his wife and little boy to promise him one thing: carry on and pass hope to someone else. Carry on, share a small part of ourselves. Just one sacrifice could save another life. Let's open up our hearts and give someone a brand new start and carry on. Carry on. Now the woman cries with mixed emotions about his special gift.
We had found us a really good spot to fly our drone, guys. Yes, indeed. Now we need to climb this big hill up here. Trying to keep an eye on the mirror there to see if anybody's coming. I don't want to cut anybody off, right? Yeah, they got these weird pullover areas up here in Ontario. And, yeah, you know, sometimes you have to park on that side if you want to park somewhere, right? But anyways, here we go. We flew our drone up here. And as you guys probably saw, when I was facing this way, it goes up quite a bit. So here we are. Gonna go ahead and climb this big mountain up here. Doesn't look that bad from the air, but when you actually drive it with a heavy load like I have on right now, you will find out real quick that it is a pretty steep hill. As you guys can see right now, I'm going real slow. I even had to downshift already, and I wasn't even top gear yet. Yeah, this is a bit of a stretch up here, but whatever. We managed to fly our drone up here a little bit. I know it would have been better if it was nice and sunny, but hey, you can only do what you can do. And I figured, you know, I got time to get to my delivery, so why not take it easy and fly my drone up here, you know? We made it up to this flying hook up here in Kapuskasing, Ontario last night. Yeah, now it's in the morning. We're done. Yeah, we're almost ready to go again, actually, matter of fact speaking. And that is the guy over there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see him, that I was talking about in the live stream there. On the driver's side wheel popped out and the tire exploded and all that stuff. But yeah, anyways, we're done for today. So I hope you enjoyed my little vlog here today. If you did, leave that thumbs up, and if you didn't, at least leave a thumbs down. Either way, it doesn't matter. At least you're engaging in my videos. As I said yesterday on my live stream, I'll need you guys to start giving me more thumbs up. That shows YouTube that you guys are more engaging with me. Yeah, I got 500 of you usually watching my daily video. and usually only get about 80 thumbs up or something like that. So I need you guys to start giving me more thumbs up, guys. I really need you guys. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys watching, and we look forward to seeing you back here tomorrow morning.